Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, ito guys, I'm sharing to you ang snow sa Japan. Bihira ito guys, mangyayari lang ito once in every 3 years. Nung umpisa guys, ganito lang siya kakonti. Bali, this is the beginning of the snowfall. Bali, kauumpisa lang niya kaya hindi pa naipon ang snow. So ito guys, let's have a look at the backyard. Ayan siya guys, unti-unti nang naiipon ang snow. Ayan oh. Good morning, beautiful people. So ayan guys, we have a snowfall today in Japan. Wow! Wow! Ingat lang, makamulas. Ayan guys, grabe. A snowfall in Japan. Tingnan niyo guys ang aking plants. Natatakpan ng snow. So ito na guys, kinaumagahan. Wow, ang dami na. Naipon na siya guys. So overnight ganyan umuulan ng snow, kinaumagahan, naiipon na sila. Kaya ang dami-dami na, ang kapal. Big guys. Ayan, natatakpan na ng snow. Ayan guys, look at ang kalamansi. Yes, natakpan na ng snow. Ayan, dito sa bintana guys. Let us look outside. This is my daughter's bedroom guys. So from here, let us look outside. Wow. Grabe guys, ang sarap maglaro sa labas. Grabe, ang sarap maglaro sa snow guys. Ang lamig. I see it from here. Sarap to gawin ice with guys. Pinatagalitan ako ni Hagal. Marumi daw. Pinagpapana na daw sa kapitbahay. Hi guys! So ito guys, kukuha tayo ng konting snow para tayo ay kakain ng ice milk. Okay, tikman natin. Malinis ito guys. Oh, guys, malinis itong kinuha ko. Kasi gagawa tayo ng ice milk. Actually guys, sabi ni Habi, marumi daw ito. Pero tikman natin. Okay, so ito guys, bago matunaw, gawin natin ang ice milk. Ito lagyan natin ng syrup. And, ang tigas ayaw mo buksan. Okay. Okay, then, konting milk. Wala tayong milk with today, so ito lang guys. Gatas na lang ating gamitin. Okay? So, tikman natin. Nostalgic ang lasa guys. Para talaga siyang ice milk ng Pilipinas. Start oishi. Oishi. So my husband said I shouldn't do this because it's not clean. The snow is not actually clean, but I don't think so. It looks very clean. Puting-puti siya, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And paki-share lang po. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Ito siya. Ang papatigurin. Ay, guys. You want to play? Yan guys, hold ko pa. Oh, lamig. Maglinis tayo guys. Ako mga bulaklak natatakpan. Oh, wala naman guys. Ako mga tulong. Ayan guys, oh. Natakpan ng snow kaya alisin natin. Kawawa. Ito guys, ako na